This is an app, Note Wiz AI. Right now, I have a lifetime, only pay 99 cents. When you click on it, you can either input by audio or take a picture or with your own text that you're writing. So it's great for students who want to, if you're sick, you want to use somebody else's notes, you take a note, or you in a class and the teacher is teaching very difficult concept. So you want to record this and then use it in class, have it to sort out your note for you, or you're just a parent, you need to do like travel, recipe sort, or fitness, or any learning, finance, any project you have, you can use this app. So right now is lifetime 99 cents. So when you go there and then you want to do a lifetime, I already have lifetime, so this is lifetime access. When you go to pay and there is a view more plan at the bottom right here where my cursor is moving, and then you click the down arrow, you will see it says a lifetime. I don't know how long it's gonna last, so make sure you grab it as still available. And just give you a very simple illustration how to use it. You can click on speech and then you can upload your audio, or you can have it auto detect. You can change, you can decide what this is, travel plan, or just have it to decide on its own. So just record, or you can take a picture of the notes. Very useful. So once you are there, and then you can change the setting on the output, what language you want it to be. You have all the languages, and also AI model. You want to use Gemini or you want to use Apple. You can take a meeting notes, and you can just simply write and transform, or take a picture. Select from a photo or take a picture, and then it will sort for you. You can have summary, key points, key insights, actions, related ideas, priorities, tags, deadline. You can close. You don't want the timeline, you can close it and it will become at the bottom. But you change your mind, you want to have it, or you want to have a people mention. You can either drag and drop to reorganize, or put in the back. And you can even create a custom one. You say rewrite. And then you can add. And because there's a little star thing, you know this is what it's asking you. Translation to Chinese. All right. And then you can do the same with your brainstorm, tasks, meeting notes, anything that you need.